Happy Easter, Pippa. Say hi. Alright, so we're going to be doing some Easter egg painting here. We got some surprises for you. Look what we have here. Sit down. Whoa.
Sit down here first, Mommy.
Wow.
Okay?
Sit down.
Chair first.
Look. We got Pippa a bag.
A bumper first.
Wow.
Bumperina.
So after you finish Easter egg hunting, you can keep all your eggs in there, the ones that aren't real. What else is in there? Is there anything in there?
Wow. You guys has a bag. Whoa!
Oh, wow. You got some stuff in there. I didn't even know they had that in there. Wow, what do you have in there? So take it out and show us what they have.
Wow, they have
So
nips.
you have nips.
Dark chocolate. That's a dark chocolate.
So you have dark chocolate there. What else do you have?
Chocolate coins.
Whoa.
And curly tops.
They didn't tell me that they were going to put chocolate in there for you.
Whoa! You have chocolate chocolate.
Whoa, baby.
And you have cloud
You're going to have to share that with Daddy. Okay? Let's see what else you have in the bag here.
Wow!
What is
Look,
that?
Baby. Sit down, sit down. What's that?
Show us what you got there.
God's amazing world.
Wow. Happy Easter, baby. So.
Wow!
Whoa.
Look!
Wow.
Look, Pippa. Look, baby.
Each of them has something about like a parakeet.
Train. See the train? Wow.
Wow.
Cars. Look. You
Feel
do
it.
like this, Pippa.
Yeah, you can show her how to do it.
You do like this, baby. Wow, paints.
Wow. That's cool, huh, baby?
Ball. Wow. This is a brake. Do like this here. Here, you take that like this. Wow, tower. How about this? Xylophone. You do like this here, baby. Do like this, Pippa. Here. Drum.
That's cool.
It's telephone. That's cool, huh, baby?
All right,
The name of
says
the book is
God's Amazing World. Cool. All right.
Ganitin mo na ko. Tanggalin sa ganito, o, Pippa. Hamster. Kitten. You like this? Oh, toy mouse.
Wow.
Parakeet. Look, the parakeet. Wow, that's good, huh? Canary Canyon ba?
Look!
Rabbit.
Rabbit!
Whoa.
Fish!
Goldfish. You got that right, baby.
Goldfish!
Goldfish bowl. How about this?
Horse! Nay, nay, nay!
You see the horse?
See the goat?
Look!
Dumplings. What's that? What's this?
Yes!
What's this?
Is it?
Sheep.
Sheep!
Cool, huh?
A cow!
Cow. What the cow say?
Moo!
Moo, moo, moo.
Awesome. Let's see what else we have. What does she have there?
Look, Pippa. The Easter Wonderland, a virtual kiddie party.
Wow.
Wow. Are you ready?
Next!
Open. Uh-oh.
Open the box. Let's see what's in the box.
Next!
Next. What's that?
She's like, next.
You like the animals? How about this?
Next!
Open, open.
Wow.
Surprise! Wow.
Okay, you got another book in there.
have Crayons.
Crayons, and then
And you
you have to read
have...
instructions.
Uh-oh. What's that, baby? The
Where?
Easter Wonderland activity booklet. Color me. This is...
Egg.
So she has an activity book, and then she
Whoa.
has an egg that she can color. Whoa.
Wow.
That's cool.
Egg. It's an egg.
Alright, Mommy's got to figure out how to do it. You guys do it together.
The egg.
Open this.
Egg.
We're going to paint the egg. We're going to color the egg.
Uh-oh.
Alright. This is where we paint the egg. Find out how we do it. Oh, look, you have a bunny. You have a bunny that you can paint. You have another egg.
Hop. Hop.
Hop like a bunny. Hop, hop.
Whoa. How is to do that, baby? You ready? Okay, go. Okay, do like this first, and then here you go. Whoa! Oh, paint mo si Bunny.
Whoa.
Wow. Okay.
Wow.
Paint Bunny like this. Orange ba si Bunny? Whoa!
My baby can color whatever she wants, huh, baby?
You open the other. There you go. You wipe it here first before do the next. Okay, baby.
Wow. That's an orange bunny.
Bunny! Orange! Uh-oh.
Bunny.
Gamitin mo lang to, oh. Okay. Para i-color si Bunny, okay? Oh, no. Okay.
Wow, that's cool.
Bunny.
Whoa! You mix it together, ah, baby. Oh. Anong color ni Bunny? How about this? Tapos ka na kay Bunny. Ah, Pippa. Okay, you do. Like that. Lahat ng white.
Hop. Hop. Hop pala bunny. Hop. Hop.
Good job, baby. You having fun?
Lagyan mo.
You're painting the egg. This is Pippa's first time painting eggs. Pretty much celebrating Easter because
Whoa!
A big bunny.
Bunny! Anong color nilagay mo kay Bunny? Any color now, ha, baby? Put any color in there, ha? Lagyan mo pa yung mga white niyo. Like that. Go like this. Like that.
Wow, that's pretty, baby.
Whoa!
Duck.
That's black. Oh, you're gonna paint, oh, the top part, huh? The top part of the egg. Make sure you don't...
Egg. It's an egg.
Oh no. Happy Easter, everyone! Say, baby, Happy Easter, everyone!
She's busy, huh?
Pippa, see? Pippa, sabi ka na.
Duck.
Sabihin mo, Happy Easter, everyone! Anong color yan? Anong color yan? Anong color to, Pippa? Ah, anong kulay to, Pippa? Wow!
Egg.
Anong color yan?
It's egg.
Anong color yan? Wow! Ito pa, oh, Pippa. Slowly lang.
Nice. Good job, baby.
Bunny.
Got some eggs
Ito
here.
pa na ko. Happy, happy face. That's a happy face.
Wow.
Wow. Oh, wow.
Alright, Pippa finished her masterpiece. Look at Pippa's masterpiece. Whoa. Good job, baby.
Of course it does.
And then her eggs.
Of course it does.
Wow.
She'll have to finish those later. But she did a good job. It was her first time. Good job, baby.